Hello all and welcome to this AWS tutorial. In our tutorial today, I will provide a brief overview on Amazon Macie. Let us begin this discussion with what is Amazon Macie? Amazon Macie is a fully managed data security and data privacy service that uses machine learning and pattern matching to discover and protect any sensitive data. So when we're talking about sensitive data, generally it is PHI information, that is personal health information, or PII information, which is personally identifiable information, right? And Macie typically works with PII kind of information. Macie automates the discovery of this sensitive data at scale and lowers the cost of protecting your data. It works on data stored in S3 buckets. It identifies and alerts if any sensitive data is found, such as PII information is found. Macie's alerts and findings can be searched and filtered leveraging the management console or CloudWatch events as well. Macie helps you to meet regulations such as HIPAA regulations or GDPR regulations, or if your organization has its own internal regulations. For example, if your company says that, hey, we do not share employee ID with anyone, right? Or we do not share employees' date of birth with outsiders. This information is not available to public and it should not be stored in this specific S3 bucket. Macie can help you ensure that that information is not present in that S3 bucket and it's not available to the whole wide world. Okay, it may be your employees, it may be others in your organization, because this information is only meant for a specific set of individuals, let's say HR or whoever that may be. Macie allows you to define your own custom sensitive data types. So again, as I was saying, right, if you have employee ID or something like that, which could potentially be a custom data type, like, hey, our employee IDs are A1 and then whatever, or AB, the first two characters are generally, let's say, letters and then something else, depending upon whatever ID you have, or it could just be like 2 numbers in the front and then 7 letters or 8 letters at the at the end. You never know, whatever kind of pattern that you follow, as long as you have some kind of an identifiable pattern, it will help you to figure out that sensitive data. You could potentially leverage Macie with multiple accounts and leveraging AWS organizations. How does Macie work? To enable Amazon Macie, right, you can do that with one click using your Amazon Management Console or even your single API call. So once Macie has been enabled, then you select your S3 buckets that needs to be monitored. Macie will basically monitor these S3 buckets, scan these S3 buckets, right? And for that, you will have to create a job inside Macie and tell Macie that, hey, Macie, you need to look for date of birth, or you need to look for employee ID. And this is the pattern that you're looking for. And those patterns can easily be created using regex expressions, right? So it will leverage those patterns, those jobs, to discover sensitive data. And then it will share that data with you in terms of findings. And you can look at these findings from your console or from your CloudWatch events, and they take action accordingly. Taking action is on you. All that it is going to do is it is going to find and alert you. It will tell you that, hey, I found this. Now go and check, right? Okay, so let's continue. What are the various benefits of Macie? I think this is pretty obvious. First is, of course, to discover sensitive data. Secondly, it provides visibility to your data that is stored in S3. And of course, it helps you to maintain any regulatory compliance. Now, how does the pricing work? Macie charges you on the basis of the number of S3 buckets that are evaluated and the quantity of data processed for sensitive data discovery. Now, of course, if you want more details, it's right here on this link. Do visit this link. In fact, I believe I have opened it right here and we can look at it real quick, right? So if you scroll down, you will see that the first 30 days are free. Even it's written over here, see right there. So feel free to explore this service, guys, right? The first 30 days are kind of free. It's free trial, so explore it. But as always, ensure that you delete everything after you are done with your demo and exploring. So the first 30 days are free. After that, it is 10 cents per S3 bucket. As far as the data is concerned, the first GB per month is free. The next 50,000 GB is charged $1 per GB. After that, the next 450K GB is 50 cents. And if it goes above 500K GB, then it is 25 cents per GB. There are some pricing examples over here. So if you see, if you have only 15 Amazon S3 buckets and no data to be processed, right? Then it is 15 into 10 cents, which is $1.50 per month. There's another example. Let's look at this. Let's say if you have 15 S3 buckets, but only 1 GB of data to be processed, right? Then in that case, it is going to be 15 into 10 cents. And then for the first GB, remember it is free of cost. So it's going to be $0. So it will be $1.50 plus $0, which is again coming to $1.50 per month. If you scroll down, right, here you have 15 S3 buckets, but this time you have 100 GB of data to be processed, right? And they are almost like whatever this number is, it's more than 1 million objects to be supported. So in that case, for 15 S3 buckets, right, it is 10 cents per bucket. So, and the first GB is free. So remember, that's the same calculation from the top. So this will come out to be $1.50. And then, so remember you had 100 GB. Out of that, first GB is free. So you still have 99 GB to be processed. Okay. So 99 GB into $1 makes it $99. So you have a total charge of $100.50. So this is how it typically works. And of course, S3 is going to have its own charges. This is for those objects that were there. So that is going to be an additional almost 40 cents right there over here at the bottom. There are several other examples over here at the bottom. Feel free to kind of explore, right? So guys, do explore this service. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. It does have a 30-day free trial. And let me know what your experience is. And I will see you shortly in some other video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.